there isn't a more fitting way to round off this year, I would say, bringing this 2.5 liter sedan from Pietermaritzburg, and also her sister car, the SS 3.5 liter, the 1938 model. The only known of example in South Africa. We brought them from Pietermaritzburg to Cape Town, and we basically set up shop here, did a bit of shopping, and we are now rounding off our year. If you've been following the channel and you see the kind of progress that we've made, please like, please subscribe. If you can leave a comment, perfect. We might not respond to the comments, directly, but we surely take what you guys leave in the comments. We take that and we try and we try and implement if it's practical advice that we receive, So for the year, I think we're in for a humdinger 2023. From what I can gauge, what we've achieved thus far, I don't think our progress is actually going to be slowing down. I think it's going to be gathering pace. And for that purposes, please guys, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, please. Even press the dislike button, the thumbs down. Even if you feel that what we're up to is of no significance, please get that thumbs down even. But check us out, man. Check us out. I think we've come some ways really. I think we've come some ways here in a short space of time. And now we're surely going to be ramping up our efforts in the new year.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sorry it's been a bit of a delay there between Christmas and New Year's. We had some unfortunate events. You can see I haven't shaved for days and I've been in hospital. So we're back, we got some limbs removed and we are working hard, back on track, and hope you guys enjoy the show.
Hey, good morning. This is the repaired wheels of an S600 that has been returned to us, and this is its condition. My current issue is to I need one of those valves in order to complete the sensor placement on all four rims. As you can see here, these are a set of narrows and wides. Let me just get in there to show you somewhat. There you can see these are the narrows in the front, those are the wides in the back. See you on the other side. I need to fit these new or refurbed. These refurbed wheels. So these are the original bolts that came out of the mags that's currently on this car, which is the original mags. And this is a set of mags for S600. But if I shove this bolt in there, I don't know if you can see, but it hardly protrudes. And so now I've had to saw slightly longer ones, and if you can see there, the wood ones protrude nicely. So here we go. Daar's nie baie krag in die bintelug nie. Dis 'n bietjie pap in die broek. Center caps I have not fitted. I'm gonna be first. Alright guys, what you're looking at here is after I fitted those S600 refurbished mags, there was a bit of a clicking sound coming from this wheel, so I'm suspecting that it's the little brake shoes inside the brake drum that's inside of this rear wheel disc. So I'm gonna attempt to remove this caliper brake disc to get to the little brake shoes for the handbrakes and see if what I'm suspecting is actually the problem. Right, there's just a quick look at what we're dealing with here. Sorry guys, I didn't have film of the removal of this drum setup because it was quite violent. And all you would have heard was a bunch of hammering. But I eventually got it off. Trying to see where the clicking sound was originating from. Alrighty guys, as you can see here on the left hand side, I did not do anything really. But on the right hand side, I refitted this undercover, and the middle one has also been refitted and tightened up. Hopefully The last time I forgot to put in these two fasteners, and that made the whole thing pop out under high speed and it got driven over.
Check hoe so sit die ys om hierdie pype. Die oxygen pype. Dis oes warm hier buite. Pak hierdie ysie aan. Jarrrr. Check die kak. Daai wit, dis 'n moerse stuk ys man. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the show so far. 2023 we're going to try and up things, we're going to make things a bit more exciting. We are here today at a little town called Fontaine. We're at the beach, it's a beautiful sunny day. We're gonna just meet some people today and fuck around with cars. Keep tuned and I hope you enjoy the show.